Alia Bhatt is one of the most accomplished actresses of India who is also bringing numbers in the box office. Personally, I'm not very fond of her because of how bratty she can be at times, but that is probably because of the overexposure Karan Johar has ensured that she gets.
Don't you know I'm the queen bee? Do you think you can beat me? Don't you know I'm the queen bee?
So hello and welcome to my new video Cinefam, and today we are ranking all the films done by Alia Bhatt as an actress. आलिया भट्ट को फिल्में चाहे एयरपोर्ट में डायरेक्टर्स से मांग कर ही मिले या नेपोटिज्म के चलते, वी कांट डिनाई वन थिंग दैट शी इज अ पावर हाउस ऑफ टैलेंट, बट हिट्स एंड मिसेस तो उनके भी हैं. सो द ऑर्डर इज गोना बी फ्रॉम वर्स्ट टू बेस्ट. सो ऑन नंबर 22, it might be shocking for most of you, but Brahmastra Part 1. For Brahmastra as a film, चाहे सबके कितने भी polarizing opinions हो, लेकिन एक बात पर सब अग्री जरूर करेंगे. आलिया भट्ट का शिवा 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 बहुत ही एक्सेसिव था, and to such a point that it was distracting us all from whatever was going on in the film. So basically she failed to connect with the audiences because let's be real, उनके कैरेक्टर की राइटिंग ही खराब थी, ऊपर से ऐसे डायलॉग्स, तो बंदी करे भी तो क्या करे. 21 पे वी हैव सड़क 2, जो आई गेस काफी एक्सपेक्टेड ही होगा फॉर पीपल हु हैव सीन द फिल्म. Sadak 2 is a cinematically weak film. It lacks in terms of plot, writing, emotions, and dialogues, while much of the cast overacts. Alia's aria was underdeveloped and cliched, plus she did go over the top while doing it. On number 20, I have Heart of
Stone is my first Hollywood film. It's my first English language film. It's my first action film. It's also the first film I shot when I was pregnant for the first time.
which is a role that's overhyped for its action scenes, and I watched it recently. I like Jamie Dornan, but Alia just didn't have that sinister presence about her, you know. Or at least she could have been slick, which she wasn't at all. Don't get me wrong, she's a great talent, but just a misfit as Kea Dhawan in Heart of Stone. Her role as a weird and quirky namesake was cool to watch for some time in Shandar, but I'm not a fan at all. This was one trippy film, one that you write when you're too high, but I'm not sure that they kept making this for months without rethinking their life decisions. Felt cryptic to me. For number 18, I was too confused, but we have RRR, where she played a cameo, and frankly just a love interest to Ramcharan's heroic Alluri Sitaramaraju. Although I feel a South Indian actress would have been better looking in the part or would have fit in well, Alia did what she could to perfection. The emotions and softness her character required, she brought them out effortlessly. Just that she didn't have many scenes or much time to impress. नंबर 17 पे है आलिया का एक और कैमियो जो कि उनका एक्चुअल डेब्यू है इन सिनेमा. मैं बात कर रही हूँ 1999 की फिल्म संघर्ष की, जिसमें आलिया ने प्रीति जिंटा के बचपन वाला रोल किया था. And trust me, she looked cuter than Raha in it. No, but seriously, she was only 6 when she played the role and she is so good in it. On 16, we have a 5-minute short film by Vogue India. It's called Going Home. It's not much, but it mirrored the current scenario for women in our country. So obviously, I loved the concept and Alia was fine in it. Then we have Kalank, which was an overambitious failure because of the weak storyline, but the cast was genuinely great. Especially Alia stood out due to her grace and captivating presence, although her character was mostly reserved. And to shine like that amongst Madhuri, Sonakshi, Kriti and Kiara is sheer talent. Her Kathak alongside Madhuri Dixit in Ghar More Pardesiya is hailed till date for Alia's sincere efforts and obviously Shreya Ghoshal's timeless vocals. On 14, we have Two States, which again entertains hugely, but I find Alia very annoying in this. Plus, she's totally miscast. But that's all. Apart from these two things, Alia ने इस रोल में उतना ही किया जितना एक्टिंग करने का स्कोप था, so it was fine. 13, we have Kapoor and Sons, a film on a dysfunctional family, and God knows how much I love it. Alia was the epitome of coolness and chilled out in it, and all of it just casually and effortlessly, which totally translated to me. 12, I have kept for Student of the Year, which most of you know as her debut, and good or bad, I think she served the vibe of the film and passed gloriously, and it was a hell of an entertaining film for me. Next up, we have Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, and I think it's a pretty cute little romance, and obviously all of that's cliched, but it works, and it does because Varun and Alia have got this crazy chemistry together, which is obviously enhanced by their real life friendship. Plus the songs are all bangers. Time for top 10 guys, and we have Rocky Rani ki Prem Kahani in the house, where Alia looks supremely hot as the fiery Bengalan Rani. Her intro song, that Bengali rap, which was also my intro for this video, I think it's a highlight of her entire career. Although many would argue that Ranveer overshadowed her, I would love to express that she brought in that subtlety and depth, I guess, for Ranveer's Rocky to shine and be that eccentric opposite to her on our screens. Whatever be the case, she looked pretty confident in this wildly entertaining role. 9, we have Badrinath Ki Dulhania, which was obviously a little more dramatic and mature than its prequel Humpty Sharma. I liked both the films, so I'd love to get a third one, so it's gonna be a great news if they're making one. Alia's Vaidehi in this sequel was an ambitious feminist, and this time she has these big arguments with Varun, and these two have absolutely killed it. And from here onwards, she took so many roles of the real world women, which has been nothing but a joy to witness. Number 8, we have Dia Zindagi, where she plays one of her most renowned and loved roles of a budding cinematographer, Kaira. This was wonderfully directed by Gauri Shinde, and Alia had great chemistry with all of the 5 men, plus Rohit Saraf, her brother in the film. I mean, they were so cute together, I almost believed Rohit was her real brother. But what I'd love to appreciate about Alia in this film is the relatability she brought in with her portrayal of a struggling young woman dealing with grave and real issues. From confused to sorted, Alia's performance is more than exemplary in this. Number 7, we have Darlings, which is her first film as a producer. Her Badru is a naive and devoted wife to the violent and torturous Hamza, flawlessly played by Vijay Varma. But the thing about Alia is that her transformation from an underdog to a fearless individual was distinctively evident. I mean, standing next to Shefali and being almost as good as her seems to be highly challenging, but Alia did it in here. Number 6, we have Gully Boy. Where she played the angry young woman Safina, who seeks her own way in this patriarchal world. She has a very intimidating role, while Ranveer has the more understated one, and she managed to make Safina so memorable in spite of having such less screen time. Absolutely versatile this woman is. Top 5 everyone, and we are going to talk about her latest, Jigra, where she's not playing anyone. She has become the character Satya, made her sorrows her own, and fought like a true hero, almost like Bachchan. The film was great. I had an awesome experience in the hall, and when it failed at the box office, I was like, we failed as an audience. Because honestly, Alia was a certified badass in the film. 4th spot has to be taken by the fan favorite Gangubai Kathiawadi, Alia's first in and as.
कौन है तू?
जी मैं पत्रकार हमिद फैजी उर्दू टाइम्स
जर्नलिस्ट
जी
मैं प्रोस्टिट्यूट गंगूबाई
आपने अपनी बात कर दी अभी अब चाहिए
बहना मेरी जाती हूँ
The performance was almost flawless, although the film wasn't, and her devotion to Mr. Bhansali was visible in her portrayal of the ill-fated but bold prostitute. Although it's hard to imagine her in the role of a brothel madam, she made her mannerisms and her vocal range to suit to the powerful presence that was required for the role, and that was it. That's how she got the national award. Number 3, Razi, जिसे देखने के बाद सब विकी कौशल पे फिदा हो गए थे. I mean, I remember स्कूल का लास्ट डे था और स्लैम बुक्स फिल करी जा रही थी. मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का बुक था वो, तो हम दोनों सबके आंसर्स पढ़ रहे थे. 80% लड़कियों ने लेटेस्ट क्रश में विक्की का नाम लिखा था. मैंने कहा भाई इसमें तो मैं आ गई हूँ इनसे, बिकॉज मेरा तो मसान के टाइम से फेवरेट हो गया था, पर ये लोग भी देर आए दुरुस्त आए. अब देखो बात आलिया की हो रही थी, विकी पे चले गए हम लोग. आलिया मेरे लिए इस फिल्म को कम्प्लीटली अपने कंधों पे कैरी करती हैं, ऑफ कोर्स विद एन एक्सीलेंट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम रजित कपूर, सोनी राजदान, जयदीप अहलावत एंड विकी कौशल. ऑल्सो ये मेरे लिए इतना एक यूनिक परफॉर्मेंस इसलिए था बिकॉज आलिया ने जो इमोशनली वल्नरेबल रोल निभाया है, जो डिटर्मिनेशन दिखाई है इन द रोल ऑफ अ स्पाई, वो उनके रियल लाइफ क्वर्की एंड लाउड कैरेक्टर से एकदम ऑपोजिट था. सो दिस रिस्ट्रेंट इन हर परफॉर्मेंस grew on me. Her second best role as per me was of Veera in Highway, where she played this emotionally exhausting role of a woman who was sexually abused as a child by a family member, and the lasting relationship she forms with a truck driver while being abducted by a group of them was really rare. I know this sounds like Stockholm Syndrome, but there's more to it. When Alia played this difficult role, she was just one film old. Well, technically 2 if you count Sangharsh, but basically she didn't have much experience. So the extreme rawness that she showcased in here, I think that's what established her status as a gifted actor. Finally, the top spot has to be taken by Mary Jane in Urta Punjab, a talented hockey player from Bihar who became a migrant worker in a drug-infected Punjab. Alia gave her strongest performance till date by mastering a distinct Jat dialect with the help of Pankaj Tripathi, and she just lived the part and embraced the quirks and mannerisms of a girl who has only seen hardships in her life. And that was how she shined the brightest of them all. So that was it. That was my list. You tell me in the comments which is your favorite performance by Alia Bhatt. You like her in romance or in drama? By now, you obviously know that it's drama for me. And let me know if I should make more of these videos or not. I'll see you soon in another one. Till then, subscribe and you can follow me on X and Letterboxd. Here's the ID. And thanks for your patience.